So this is built proper. We got a coilover install on 2003 BMW E46. Enjoy. My nipples are hard.
Feels like the lift off familiar. It feels so familiar. Okay, look, moving on in this world, blinded by the girls, but I'm trying not to backtrack. More fire to the people, that's a match. Backdraft, reenact the backpack. Lab rats and amazed, but I'm past that. So intact, matter of fact, traps up a lap that. For the cheese that.
That's what she said. Money. Let's go.
Being peace to my well-being. Standing tall, that's what my feet do. The government that is saving you. I know it's shocking like Pikachu. We not acute, it's a thin line between love and hate. I don't wanna wait, but I stop the clock, cause I know it's all gonna come in time, man. Whose world is this? Surely not all.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I be that Nefela bada. Nefela bada.
Anything that grows out of the ground is a little weird.
I can't tell where the caliper is.
Hi.
That's how I look at it.
What the hell?
This is something that you don't do at home. This isn't even legal in like 30 of the states.
Brake cleaner?
They sell this shit at Walmart.
Do you see how they spelled brake cleaner?
Right.
Just put that up on the camera.
Rocklin. Rocklin. This is the genuine German brake cleaner.
Oh, shut up.
Did you use that on the R8?
No, they use these in the. They use these in the ovens.
Will's got the Subi mud flaps.
Oh, he's got like a horsetail.
Look on the concrete. Yeah. I can't see anything. Sorry, y'all are waiting on me.
Oh, no. Take your time.
Sebastian needs to take out the carpet. And
Well, Sebastian was like an hour late anyway, so
yeah,
if you're taking your time, it's alright.
it's me after Taco Bell.
I'm joking.
I got you.
Oops. Well, she told me I have 2 more at home too, so could have brought that.
If I
But
get this in my eyes, I go blind.
well, that's your fault for not wearing glasses.
Would you like them safety goggles?
I'll just
Too late.
hold my eyes closed and hope I miss.
You're running, bro.
Yeah, you just have to.
This man just tried to hit the throttle with this one, not this one. What is
Vroom,
it?
vroom. I mean, he drives a Chevy Cruze. You gotta give him some credit.
You're right.
It's rough. Oh, burn.
That shit over there. Focus.
It's his car, bro.
Look like a drug dealer, bro. Put your little beanie on. What is that?
You wanna look at that car later?
Nah, we're doing it tomorrow since we're gonna do this.
Hey, we can do the Oreo edition ambits today.
Yeah, bro, we can get it on
Make sure
video.
you get this one cash and they should run the music in the middle of the corner. It took like 5 years to figure it out.
No matter what the YouTubers say, this company sucks.
Oh my god.
Ambit is trash.
What? Oh, is that a scratch?
That's when the neon sign fell off the wall. I'm like,
So
thanks, Dad.
that shit was kind of upsetting for me.
Hold on.
Right here.
How do you feel about Ambit wheels?
Fuck ambit wheels.
Can you read me off your text messages to Ambit wheels?
Fuck ambit wheels.
Wow, those white center caps?
These are white center caps for black
For
wheels.
black wheels?
What am I supposed to do with this?
I heard good luck painting is what you were told.
Good luck painting them. Let me. Oh no. Let me know how it goes with painting them.
Oh, all right.
Hey, I'm gonna drive your car.
I get that on
Maybe
video.
it was Chris that knew her then. Somebody knew her.
Probably wasn't. You know her?
Well, you know we're waiting on you.
Yeah.
Chris likes white girls.
Let me see a pic of her.
Hair hit her up earlier.
You gonna put her on the video?
Oh, she's getting put on blast.
But she's pregnant.
She's bad though.
Yeah, she's bad as fuck, actually. I know him.
Nobody can see
That's
it. I blurred it.
That's
they're
baby
having
daddy.
a baby. Yeah.
Oh, it focused. Oh.
Who's pregnant?
Some dude.
I'll be a stepdad.
You get good ones.
I'm just kidding. Don't take me seriously.
He's not kidding.
Definitely not kidding.
No.
Guys, this is William Bird. He drives a K24 2013 Civic SI. He got a skunk 2 cack back. He got a
From a sedan.
it's a Viper swap, so
It is
watch
a
out.
Viper swap.
It's Viper swapped. Zax FB6. It's a 2015. What's the exhaust? Buddy Club Spec 2. Oh, you got Jason right here. Jason's full bolt-ons. No
God, I got a
tune.
headache.
Prius right here. And
Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that.
you have the Mini GTR.
Sparkling.
Yep.
That's what you want to say.
Mini GTR. You have the infamous Chevy Cruze.
The baddest car in the crew.
Oh my God, yo, look at that stance on it.
Yo, is that chrome grille OEM or?
Boy,
That's what I'm saying. Here comes the owner.
engineer.
Here comes the owner. Look at him.
Look at the Toms. Look at the Toms.
Look at it. Oh my God. Only cruise owners. Bro, you look like you just got out of dance class.
Boy, you're 20 years old. You're talking about being old.
I'm 21 next year.
Same. Samesies.
I'm 21.
I'm 20.
Why the fuck did I turn 23, man?
What?
I'm 23.
20, you're 23, but you look about 45. Oh!
my God.
Exposed.
Bring that out here, boy.
This nigga's trying to hide behind me.
Hide behind daddy. Hide behind daddy.
How about you don't look much better wearing your fucking Toms from your sister?
Oh my God.
Roast.
Go ahead.
You got it, Will. You got it.
It's free. Get it. It's free.
You got it. He's scared. Come on.
Jenga game.
That veil about it, that cloud walker, imagining dreams while you doing nada. I be that veil about it. That veil about it, that cloud walker, imagining dreams while you doing nada. I be that veil about it.
Frat boy.
Where can I park?
That veil about it, look up. Why I gotta lie for? You ain't optical eagles, you eyesores. This light of mine I would die for. No major label independent like July for. Granny told me to sing my songs, to right my wrongs. This night so long, it might prolong when the zeitgeist song contradicting the throne, but this life goes on. If it's too deep, sheep better repeat. Not to be sleep when I speak over MP3s. Freeze, I feel the breeze out through my spirit, elevating through the lyrics. This my soul, can you hear it? All the ashes don't fear it. Shouts at my homegirl Celeste, who made the suggestion of this concept I invest in. Started with a picture I pressed in. That frame of mind I was blessed in. So let's stand on a good note. That food for thought and Nabisco. I snack well in them Oreos. Y'all brains just like the movie shows, cause they ain't mine.
What up, Jesse?
What's up, man?
What you got? What you got? I wanted to get you pulling in, but I had to do something.
Yeah, I be that veil about it. That veil about it. I be that veil about it. That veil about it. That cloud walker, imagining dreams while you doing nada. I be that veil about it. That veil about it. That cloud walker, imagining dreams while you doing nada. I be that.
So we need one cheese, one pepperoni, and then let's do some crazy shit.
I'm not getting a basic cheese pizza.
Hey, he can only eat cheese pizza.
Only pizza I eat.
He can only eat cheese pizza. So we got at least one.
I like
Going to the pizza run. All the dollars.
I feel like if you're going on a quest, this is what you should be listening to right here. So, whatever dragons you about to slay, mountains you climb.
Alright, we got the pizza. We got pizza.
We got pizza.
Hey, let me. What did they put as our name on the pizza box?
I said built proper. It's a little off.
Just a little bit.
Build proper.
That sounds like the angels, you know. But I feel like.
Let me out.
I missed you guys.
Downshift, whatever. Downshift, red max. And then hold on to the clutch, and then it gradually pull me.
What's up?
Like, when the kids are doing whatever. Like, yo.
Because I never.
Bitch, hey! Hey!
On that quest, on the journey you embark on, this will guide you, you know? So, I just hope.
Jesus, I hope the mic picked that up.
Okay, paint the sky blue. For you.
This is the fitment that we think we're gonna get. All right, Chris. So what did they miss? The SD card was full, so I had to find an SD card.
But hey, we're here for the main event.
Yeah.
Coils are all on.
Yeah, back's finished. We just putting the wheels on, and we're gonna see if we can pull this fitment off.
Oh my god.
I mean,
I doubt it.
what? I mean, I can fit this in here.
I don't think we can. I don't think we. Oh. Oh my god. All right, so the final fitment on the front. Go ahead. Oh, you good?
Oh, you good now?
You good?
Yeah, I'm back.
Keep going.
Watch my car.
You're good? You already cleared it. You already cleared the cup. All right, so we going to the car wash for some pictures? All right, cool.
Do it. There's no moving this like suspension at all. It's so stiff.
You going to the car wash?
Come to the car wash.
All right, cool. Are you coming?
To the car wash?
Yeah.
I suppose everyone's going.
All right, cool.
All we have to be worried about this is scrubbing.
I want to ride.
Hey, Berta, you coming?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right, man. Are we going now?
Yeah, let's go now. Go ahead.
Tell me what to do. You try to keep us down, but we are backing out because the time is now. Screaming till you're breathless, till other voices drown. We